In this video, we show you how to install the simple zombies mod in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So, if you want to turn Los Santos into a full-blown zombie apocalypse, this is the mod you need, and I'll show you how to install it. First, you can go to GTA5mods.com, and here you can download the simple zombies mod. Just click download and save it somewhere on your PC. Next, for the menu to work, you need native UI. I'll put the link in the description, so you can go to the GitHub page, and once you're here, just click release.zip here to download the latest version. And also we need scribookv and scribookv.net. Click the link in the description for the scribookv, just click download, and for the scribookv.net you can download the latest version right here. Alright, after you've downloaded everything, you'll have the zombies mod, the native UI, scribookv, and scribookv.net. And to install them, you also need your GTA 5 directory. So on Steam, you can go to library and then look for your GTA 5, right click on it, manage, and select browse local files. On Epic Games, you can go to library, look for your GTA 5, click the three dots next to it, manage, and then click the folder icon to go to your GTA 5 directory. Alright, now let's start installing scribookv and scribookv.net. You can open up the zip file with WinRAR or 7-zip, but for this I will use WinRAR. So right click, open it with WinRAR, and inside the scribookv zip file, go to the bin folder, and here what you need is the input 8, xinput, and scribookv. So we're gonna extract these files into GTA 5 directory. With WinRAR, you can just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory, and that's done. Now let's open scribookv.net, and here what we need is all of the ASI, NI, and PDB file. So just select them and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory, and that's done. Alright, now we're gonna install the zombies mod and native UI. So on your GTA 5 directory, look for scripts folder. If you don't have one, you can right click and then new and create a new folder. Go ahead and name it scripts with S. Alright, now you have the scripts folder, open it up, and then you can open native UI zip file, and we're gonna do is drag and drop the files from native UI into the scripts folder you just created, just like that. And then you can open the zombies mod zip file, go to zombies mod, and what we need here is the DLL and PDB files. Drag and drop it into the scripts folder, and everything is done. But before you open up GTA 5, on Rockstar Games Launcher, go to settings, and here make sure you uncheck BitOI, so you're not going to GTA Online and risk getting banned. Alright, when GTA 5 now, and to open up the menu, you can press F10 on your keyboard, like that, and here you can activate infection mode or fast zombie mode, and you're now ready to fight for your life in the zombie apocalypse. You can explore the feature of the mod like crafting and building barricades to the in-game menus.